Hello, this is Dr. August Stenning. I do these nifty little beach walks on dry fasting, and I'm looking out at the line of surf going on right now, and I wish I was out there. Anyway, I thought I'd address a couple of things that were said on the YouTube channel regarding my 7-day dry fast. Yeah, the orange goo is interesting. You know, the orange goo only happens in dry fasting. It never happens in water fasting, because water fasting never clears everything out. That's why water fasting takes 3 times longer than anything else, than any other kind of fasting to get any of the results you get in a dry fast. And we think it might be iron. We're hoping it is. But, you know, once it's done, it's done. It's not a continual orange goo. It's just one evacuation, which means it's been stuff that's been taken out of your body and finally put in the toilet where it belongs. Anyway, the other thing is someone brought up, you know, what I consider an olive oil fast. Why would you think it's a fast? I mean, you're on an olive oil diet. You know, the only olive oil I ever consume is about a teaspoon, maybe, every now and then, and it's only from Tunisia or Morocco, because they're not part of the Italian olive oil cabal, because they load the olive oil with canola oil. I mean, so you're drinking this stuff you think is a fast. It's not a fast, it's just a diet, and it's a diet full of polyunsaturated fatty acids. So, you know, it's not advised. The other thing is, people talked about urine output. Well, you see, during the first 2 days of a dry fast, you're getting rid of a lot of water. You really are. So you're going to, you know, probably pee out about, you know, 3/4 of a quart of water the first couple of days. Then it's going to drop down because you've transitioned to fat. And so the only water being made in the body is being made in the mitochondria. So the mitochondria is flushing all this stuff out, and that's good. But you're not going to have a lot of water coming out in the urine. You are going to be able to have some urination, no problem, but again, you're cutting up fat. So it's like when you transition from glycogen into oxidative phosphorylation, you end up with a reduction in urine output. It's about that simple. I am feeling fantastic today. One of the reasons is, when I come off of a fast, I do the regime that I showed you the other day, or yesterday rather, and I stick to bone broths and like bisques and stuff like that. Stuff that's easy to digest, easy to get down, starts the nutrition, because you want to be able to put some nutrition in there to get your stem cells to go into regeneration like crazy, because they're just sitting there waiting. In fact, all your cells are waiting for nutrition. That's the cool thing about dry fasting. You restrict food and water, and you get a huge influx of new growth, new repair, and all that stuff after it's over. So that's it. I mean, really, that's about all that's going on today. And, oh, look at that guy out there. Can you see him out there? Oh, yeah, he's on it. So, yeah, I think that the thing you want to do is just kind of groove into these things afterwards, enjoy yourself, get my book, The Phoenix Protocol, so you know how to do it, and have a great time. I mean, that's the best thing about this. Once you do this, you fix so much stuff you don't even know you fixed. It's the coolest ever. And, oh yeah. Oh man, I wish I was a little in better shape right now, because I'd be out there. But no, I can take my time. I'm sure I'll be back. Anyway, I love you guys. I don't monetize these things, so please hit the like button and the subscribe button and that stuff. Tell your friends about this, because we have an opportunity with dry fasting to fix a lot of stuff that doesn't involve hospitals and doctors' offices and pharmaceuticals and all the other games they play to do symptomatic relief without ever fixing the problem at hand. That's why you're here, because you can fix it without those guys intervening. Anyway, I love you guys. Have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.